how to manage threads and replies notifications settings on Instagram threads, easy and quick. If you want to manage it, all you have to do first open threads and then go to your profile, and after that click edit profile. Click these two lines, and then click notifications, and then click threads and replies. And as you see now, you can manage threads and replies notification settings. You can manage whatever you want here, and then just go back, it will be saved, and that's it. It's easy, all you have to do is just change it and go back. You don't have to click save or something like that. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.